Hello. So we're gonna do Nerf War. I have a strong arm. What the? This is not the right strong arm. I'm sorry. And this is my fire strike. I'm gonna get my real strong arm right now.
I'll have my vortex that we showed for a review, and the second review, we did this as stock aid. I'm gonna use this as well. So this will be on my back.
So, I'm gonna be on this side. Damon's gonna be on that side.
No, the other way around. I'm supposed to be on this side. I'll be on that side.
Fine. Okay, cool. Now, action.
Alright.
Action.
3, 2, 1, go.
Please. Ignore my brother, please. Ignore my brother. Oh, I forgot. The trigger. Yeah.
Vortex go.
Hiding. Oh. Damn it. No, damn it. Okay. First round, Damon won.
Yeah. Now let's pick up our bullets and play. Let's move round 2.
Okay, round 2. Yeah. Here's your bullets. Guys,
and while
this is Australia time.
And while you guys waiting for us to reload, make sure you click a like and do a comment below on who thinks will win the second round.
Yeah, I know. So I'm gonna absolutely get destroyed because like Damon's guns are OP.
All the time.
Oh yeah,
Even Pokemon cards are OP with them.
Yeah, he has a Zekrom.
EX, full art, yeah, and a Thunderous, and a Landorus,
I don't really care.
and a Magikarp and a Charizard EX.
A Magikarp EX.
I do. What are you talking about?
Magikarp EX.
I do.
Magikarp.
Magikarp. And this is what I was doing. I was like Magikarp.
Yeah, and on Skype last night he was doing that.
Magikarp. So
yeah, we'll see you in
the next round.
Yeah.
Alright.
Are you ready? While you do that, because my other review was cut, I'm just gonna show you my Zapdos. Thundering Hurricane and Random Spark. 3 energies, 4 energies. Thundering Hurricane.
You're just too lazy to.
And like, yes sir. Yeah, pretty good card.
Alright.
Not gonna
round 2. I'm not using this gun.
The fudge.
I'm not using this gun. I'm just using my thing. So
Fudge. Okay.
3,
2.
Now we're swapping sides.
3, 2, 1. Stop.
3, 2, 1, go.
Damn it! I'm not ready.
Alright, we're not ready.
1, 2, 3, go.
Whoa.
Guys, ignore my brother.
Yeah. So my brother too. Let's still get one. Come on. I'll smash him anyway. Round 2, I won.
Damn it!
Whoa! He just needs to finish that ammo. And yes, I win! I win!
Damn check out the videos on every Sunday.
Yeah. Now we're doing round 3 and 4. Let's go.
Cool.
So let me just get my yeah. And then there's Dama. Ignore him.
Mine.
Can you give me some bullets? Ajma?
I don't have any bullets. Go. Ready for jump.
It's hard when you have to do this, man. Yeah.
That was cool. Ignore my brother.
What?
And also ignore my mom's voice.
Yeah, saying stop to. I need some wood.
Guys,
Leave a comment and see who wins the 3rd round.
and guys, if I lose this whole entire game, just say in the comments I suck.
Yeah,
No,
pretty much he
damn.
does. Yeah, and when we go to my house next Sunday, we'll be doing a much larger review. It's a big house, my house.
If my dad can, have some time.
Yeah.
If my dad has some time, so we're gonna be reviewing more guns and gaming.
Yeah, but we're gonna be playing Black Ops and NW3 maybe.
Yeah,
Zombies.
Maybe Pokemon Trading Card Game Online. Maybe maybe FIFA. Maybe.
Yeah, because I have an Ultimate Team FIFA 14, so we'll be playing lots of games. And
Yeah, and I'll be there the whole day until
3
5
o'clock.
5 o'clock.
Yes, of 3. I'm leaving at 3 o'clock, so we'll make videos until 3 o'clock. Oh my gosh.
Yeah, and we'll be watching videos and eating lunch.
Yeah. And by the way, my name's Damon.
What am I doing? Yeah, I introduced you.
Yeah.
What am I doing? Yeah.
And it's Dama, his brother.
What am I doing?
You can
Wait, Damon. Oh, when
What
is
am I
your
doing?
real
Yeah,
birthday again?
Ah!
When is your real birthday again?
Tuesday. My real birthday's in Tuesday, so 2 more days. Woohoo! So just leave a comment saying happy birthday to me on Tuesday. I'll be checking out the channel. It's me and his channel, so yeah.
And I'm 9.
You wanna know?
Yeah, I'm
I'm-
older than you.
I'm turning 9, so it's 9. We're both 9 years old.
Over. It's over.
So
Over.
I'm just. It takes a long time to reload this.
Oh my god, you take a long time reloading.
Fine, I'm not gonna use my face time. By the way, Nashville, can you reload, please? Right? I got it.
Oh yeah, guys, next video, the mini legendaries. Maybe tomorrow. Not now.
Yeah. I'm almost.
Maybe.
Finished.
Yes. Yeah. Maybe yes. Maybe yes. Ignore my brother.
Alright.
Please just ignore my brother.
Alright, I'm finished. So round 3, post a comment. Who's gonna win round 3? Me or him? So let's go. Yeah. He's gonna get smashed.
Yeah, I know. If I lose all the games, tell me that I suck in the comments.
Yeah.
And tell Damon he's the awesome guy.
Yeah. Alright, 3, 2, 1, go. If you see some extra dots and stuff that's dumber, just do it.
Oh damn! Yes. Damn! I lost.
I've used all my ammo and then I win. I got the most hits. So we're going in round 4. Actually, that's it. Post a comment. I'm saying that my socks and saying I am the best, and just challenge me whatever you want.
Dude, and make sure to like the video, subscribe, and
See you next time. See ya!
yeah!